definitely better and it tasted when it was whole because the consistency of that one was not good.
Right here to your left. Mila. Alright, go. ¿Dónde está Francisco? ¿Qué pasó? Get it.
What's going on with the papayas?
Papayas?
Yeah, they were not good.
Okay.
They're perfect. I think I've never seen this perfect papayas in my life.
Oh, these are, see, there's a little bit
but
of...
you can cut that off, and that's
But
very
the thing is, they
small.
spread really quickly.
Yeah, we'll just have to do Papaya Island today. But
Oh, I think this is
this
good.
is too good.
We need to check. Yeah, these are good.
Yeah, let's buy 2 of these cases.
2?
Yeah.
Ella te va a decir la verdad. Tell him the truth.
You professional?
Try before
Yeah.
you buy.
You professional?
She's professional.
I'm a professional foodie.
Better?
Lucy. ¿Verdad?
Está rico entonces.
No, ya no comemos. You like it or no? No, no.
No, they're not ripe.
No están listos.
But I think these are good.
These are going to be good in a couple days.
Okay,
Yeah.
señorita.
Alright, thank you so
No.
much.
Thank you. 100%. Terry needs to have some, huh, Terry? You know about papayas? Come on, right. Get your boy. Get your boy. Okay.
Like strangers.
Say hi.
Alright. Look at these biggies. Wow. This one is almost the size of my head. It's dinner time. We're here with Terry and the dog. Hey, bye. I'm having some delicious mangoes. Super soft and ripe ones. What are you having, Terry?
Grapes and the mango.
Alright, dinner is ready. I have some lettuce, tomatoes, mango chunks, and I'm also adding some lemon. And not a bad, it's not for you. And some chili sauce. Super delicious. Okay, the dog just got his mango. But you can get another mango if you want. We have so many.